Wel, you and I in the past, but wall I need since a dozen rounds putting them around for you on. I can hide it, will match. Oh, yeah. It's a fire. Then and hide it. Yeah. Oh, nee. Wel, wij beide Goris in Harriet. Oh, werden maaien werden zo als een dingen van Golonji. Wel, als je hem zou het olje, dan zijn we hem jou. Hoor wat olje. Oh, wat geld, Gol, Rosh. Heimisch geschieden. Stefamisch Gilleweg, Gold, Max, and some easy the Scaran, Chandler, that's a Gill Golden trade.
The land of the hen, the hen he's second Kilis, bonus, like a Niarbyl.
Like a Niarbyl? Wel, die zijn bij de wies put naar Hintje?
Nee, look at it now.
Oh, de zijn vleesig. De zijn
brother?
Nee, brother. She, vleesig, brother, she, zijn ja, afwekkend kalu, und moet zo.
Hey, not a bad man, Kalu.
Nee.
We laten net een henman zijn krijgen me giet.
An heel. In. I don't miss Ruig Fleisig. Just have you send like the worry. One day then we go see the Coachella worry. As tutti Ruig Fleisig, as tutti mich na Rau. As tutti. Immer Max Nisches.
Wie kunt het gaan? Wie gaat het zijn, Rauing?
Good. Fleisig. Rau? For either Rau. Well, then it's correct, mate. The Frederick and said, "Trevor, on which one?" Yeah, and
Don't in the Kreben and
Ram General Shen, like the Yegur.
Oh,
Ram
Skillen Beggar.
Ram Skillen, General Shen.
Oh, Skilt,
Oh, Skilt, oh, very. Oh, very. Oh, I can't get a big, but I'm so fair. Oh, that, well, you just read the James, mother.
An old man who lived in Arbyl, a little fishing village on the west coast of the island, and he told her that it had been heard by the Arbyl people very often by an old man who came in a little boat out of the west, opposite to the village, and sat in the boat and sang this song. And when he finished his song,
Oh, that, well, you just read the James, mother.
he row and he row and he row until he couldn't see anymore.
Oh, that, well, you just read the James, mother.
Ram Gil Gold trade low egg.
Row and he